We back with another one. Currently right now we floating in profit. The video before last, as you seen, we just took entry. We were floating about 14, negative about 10, 15, and now we're actually tanking. We're up $94. This is the move itself right here. We're in a channel. If you look at the daily, let's try to space that out. Yeah, so clear right there, just a daily channel, high, low, went up, did a lower high, and we turned around, and now we're gonna make either another lower low or high. We just gonna hold this, man, for real. Just hold it and wait. The daily is a clear view of where we want it to go to the zone. I would love to get the end zone down here around the 16,300 area. It's basically time will tell. Go down to the 4 hour, you start seeing it a little bit more for what it is. We just cracked 100, by the way. I've been getting a lot of retracement here in this area of the 16,640. So generally, it might be best to go ahead and start scratching profits right here once it gets here, and then just let the rest ride on down. If the channel is respected, it'll keep following. So it'll look something like how I showed earlier, something like this, bounce here, come back up, probably come back down again, bounce one more time, and then we break down to the end is what I'm looking for. But like I said, I'm willing to take the zone right here if it permits for me. That'll be at least about 70 to 80% of the account already. And the rest would just be residual for like the next trade. Try to do each trade $75 risk, especially on low accounts. And I think I'm at the point now where I'm just decent with low equity. I don't need a lot of money to make money, so this is just the move. This is where we at. And now we floating here. I'll be back again. Take a break, keep smoking, chill, and I'll see y'all when I come back. Come on, Nas, drop for me, man. Mm-mm. Yeah, this shit. You're right here and hit a stunt. Hit a whole stunt. Said, wait a minute. Mm-hmm. Thing said, and I'm out. Know what that means? Comes a drawdown. Let's see if this 58 can eat for me for a minute. And if it can't, we just gonna go ahead and just break even. Go back to one click trading to be able to close these on time. I think it's well, balance. Stay below. Trend might be invalid. So trend skid it. Boom. See how far we can go down. We need to break this low right here. For the ride. That 1 minute be hard to bear. I can't be watching that shit all the time. I only go to it when I gotta like really analyze or like really break something down. But at this point, I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to. Stay up on the 30 minute to the 1 hour. That's where we're intending to go. This one right here, man, is just like to me, I feel like I'm doing scalps, but they're I don't know. I mean, it takes about an hour or two, maybe I would say, maybe 3 hours to do it. But just quick scalps, in my opinion, are better on a low equity account versus trying to go for like one huge trade. Like sometimes I'll envision going for like a 400 or $500 trade, but maybe sometimes 250, 200 is better. And then get out and get back in and get another 200 or 250. Sometimes it's not always the best to like just try to wait and hold a position. So, like with that being said, like compounding is key for real. Compounding is always probably going to be like one of the best things you could do. Trading on any type of account, funded or not, like just compounding, doing small trades, and managing risk. Started like so still retesting the zone. It breaks, you know. Yeah, compounding is key though, for real, man. Ain't nothing better than making a little bit and flipping it and then just keep going. Like them big ass trades, just they can be nerve wracking sometimes, like especially if you gotta go throughout the night. Especially throughout the night, your ass will be up all night long. Like you will either stay up or you'll set so many alarms that you don't even sleep. Like, I mean, it's cool to set your stop loss at break even if you are deep in profits, but that shit will fuck with you for real. I haven't developed that skill yet, but I'm getting there. Definitely getting there. I think we're gonna break this zone. I might have to crash out of these. I'm gonna hold and see though. I've been reacting crazy to the zone right here. This trend line keeps getting more and more invalid as we go on. So just use this zone. I would imagine I would close these around this area right here. Right before the stop loss, save me some money, shit. Try again. Yeah, I think we retraced back. This thing is definitely fucking around on this zone. Oh my god. I'm tired, bro. Mm, I'm so damn tired, man. You gotta get a good sleeping pattern. There we go. And react off that zone again. We broke. Come on. A little bit of work there. It's gonna be a nice one. Come on down. Let's go. For real. Hmm. Yeah, they fighting now. Wish there was a candle timer. That's what I wish. Um, that would be dope if there was some shit like that. That'd be dope. I know when the candles close. I head over here to trading view though and can get it. Come on. Mm, see where we at. A minute. There it is. Come on. 500 to 900 and what? It's a day and a half. It's not bad. Let's go. And a couple people emailed me and asked me to take a trade like this just to show like the progress and how it takes, like how long it takes, the emotional, mental, everything. Like you got to really be numb to this shit to be able to do this. Can't be emotional with your money. You're gonna go and draw down as soon as you take an entry, but taking the entry is the most important part. You have to take the entry. If you believe it'll go that way, chances are it might go that way, but you won't know if you don't. So that's the thing. That's one of the biggest things I learned is just execution. Like I would be right more times than I would even be in the trade. But as soon as I started taking the trades, I would get, a little bit better. I would lose still, but I would get a little bit better, each time I took a trade. I could go back and understand why I took that trade and what was the reason. And I'm not really trading off of anything other than just pure market structure. What's the market telling me? Where does it want to go above? What is does it want to go below? You know, that's it. I'm not even on Fibonacci yet. Like I'm still getting taught Fibonacci right now. So this is just like showing like what can happen and what you can do. And that's it. Probably start shaving profits though, just because we at 190, about to be 200. I'm gonna go ahead and shave off one of them. Mm, and off one click trade them. And take 5 off of that. Here. We'll keep that in 2 10s. Stop loss will be at break even. And if it comes back up, then that's just what it is. If you think you want to take more off and not give a damn about it just to have something to eat, then do that too. Take 5 off of it. Watch it. Yeah, stays above 20. Seems like it's staying above 20, so we'll discard. Let that floater stay. Keep going, go back to the 30. Right now we're at a balance at 861. Floating. Yo, what's up? We're back again. Getting to it. I was kind of late on this entry. The last trade was pretty good, man. Like, it gave me about 200 something. I went ahead and just closed that early. It hit a nice retracement, came back, gave me an opportunity to sell again. So this is the next day, second selling position. And I just scaled in a couple minutes ago. Taking small take profits on this. Anywhere from 100 to 150. Stop loss at break even on this top window. I'm only doing risk-free trades. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jay. We back. Another one. I've been taking a couple trades since the last time I showed a video, or since the last time I recorded one. This is within the same week, though. This trade in particular, I took probably about maybe an hour and a half ago, and it's been fighting for at least about an hour now, hour or so. Um, Higher time frame, 4 hour here is where I'm looking for price to go. All these 16,877, 16,845, 16,794, and 16,772 are all different areas of interest where I want this to push to. But I would love for it to push to the 16,877 zone. This is just pure market structure, and we're holding. We've already did 100% on the account. Now it's just compounding, continuing to compound, continuing to use, low risk, continuing to manage risk. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I have a stop loss set. I think it's set to lose about probably about 100, 125 for this trade. Um, and that's as far as I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the stop loss right up underneath this previous 4 hour candle on the low, and we'll just we'll let it eat and see where it goes. I'll probably be back up in a couple of hours. It's late where I'm at now. It's close to 11 o'clock at night. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this, and either this will probably be my last trade for the week, or I will continue to trade after I see where this goes. Whenever I wake up, we will know. So I will see y'all in a couple hours. Peace.